Welcome back to Spone Academy. Today we'll be learning about how to register SIPLINK IP Speaker to the SIP server and receive SIP call from other SIP device. First of all, let's take a look at the equipments we're going to be using today. These are the devices we are going to be using for this video. All the devices should be at the same network. One SIPLINK IP ceiling speaker, one PC as the SIP server, one SIP phone for calling test, one PoE network switch. After connect the IP speaker to the same network of your PC, open your browser and type in the IP speaker's IP address. For me, it's 19.168.1.120. Username and password are both admin. In the basic settings, select SIP. In this page, we can configure the IP speaker's SIP account information, configure the user ID and authentication ID of the device. Usually these two are the same number. Here I'm going to change it to 4. Display name is the name showing on the other SIP devices when other device receive IP speakers calling. Now, change the server IP to your SIP server's IP address. For me, it's the address of my PC that has a SIP server running, which is 19.168.1.100. Click Save and restart. This is the SIP server on my PC. As you can see, the IP speaker is successfully online with ID number 5, and the SIP phone that I configured for testing with ID 10. Now let's try to make a SIP call to the IP speaker via SIP phone. Input the IP speaker's SIP ID. IP speaker will auto pick up immediately. As you can see, the audio from the SIP phone can be heard from the speaker, and the SIP phone can hear the audio from the speaker's built-in mic. In this video, we've learned about how to configure the SIPLINK IP speaker's SIP information so it can register to the SIP server, and also demonstrate receiving SIP call from other SIP device. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.sponcom.com. Thank you for watching.